Do you ever take your hair out of a bun, look at your hair, and see all this frizz, and then you're just not sure what to do? You don't have so much time, so you're trying to think of a quick fix of how you can make it better. Is it hopeless? Should I just stay home? What do I do? Okay, I have an idea. Hats. Straw hat? No. Okay, captain's hat. Kind of weird. Beret. French girl look, that'll work. No, too much frizz. Okay, I have a better idea. Here's what you'll need to create this look. Eva NYC's Lazy Jane shampoo for air-dried perfection, and the Lazy Jane conditioner. You'll also need a hair towel to help speed up the drying process and prevent breakage, a detangling brush for in the shower or after, a hair elastic to create the half-up bun look, and don't forget a scarf or a bandana to wrap around the bun to add some style. Eva NYC's Lazy Jane shampoo is designed to bring out hair's natural movement without the frizz or blow dryer. Lather through your hair to add body and thickness. Then use the Lazy Jane conditioner. Spread throughout your hair to moisturize and tame frizz. I like to brush the conditioner through my curls, always starting from the bottom and working my way up through the hair. No need to use a blow dryer after your shower. Just embrace your hair's movement and body as it naturally dries. I like to use a hair towel to help speed up the drying process, scrunching from the bottom and just allowing my hair to air dry. I even like to do a bit of a fanning motion. Eva NYC's Lazy Jane Air Dry collection texturizes, tousles, and adds body to my hair. And voila! My hair is full of body, texture, and feels amazing. And can you believe it? I didn't even use heat to my hair. I didn't use a blow dryer or a curling iron. This is Eva NYC's Lazy Jane Air Dry collection. Okay, so while I continue admiring my hair, I think it's time to do the half-up top bun. This is one of my favorite looks to do. It's easy, cute, and feminine. First, I like to take 2 strands forward to frame the face. And what I really like about this look is it doesn't have to be too perfect. Next, I section off the front sides of the hair, and this is the hair that I'm going to take to gather to the top of my head to create a small bun. Take the sections and guide it up to the top of the hair. If you'd like to use a brush to take out any bumps at the top, you can. I don't mind them so much. Twist the hair at the top of the head and create a small bun. Use the elastic to secure it. Once secure, take your scarf or bandana and begin wrapping it around the bun. This is the half-up top bun. It's perfect with jeans and a t-shirt or a cute dress. And just in case you wanted to see it with a bandana, whatever you choose, it's customizable, so you can also tie the fabric from the back or the front. Okay, that's it. Total effortless style.